Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have more than one subtitle shown in the video using the CapCut Bilingual Subtitles feature. So first, just prepare the video that you want to generate its caption and import it to CapCut. Okay, and after that, just go to text and click on the auto captions, and in here you can select the first language for the subtitle. The first one is English. I'm going to go with English. Go back, and here you can also select the sound source. So I'm going to generate from video, and to enable the second subtitles, you can just enable this bilingual caption. Click on this and choose or select the language for the second subtitles. I'm going to, for example, go with Japanese. Click on the language, go back, and after that just click on generate. So CapCut will do its magic by generating both of the caption. Just wait until it finishes. Okay, so as you guys can see here, it's already finished, and now the subtitles will be shown in two languages. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.